My name's Casey. I am Staheli West.
I'm Trevor, and I am Staheli West.
I'm Brian. I am Staheli West.
I'm Marin, and I am Staheli West.
Well, the Staheli West family is a good family to work for. They're good, honest people. They are friendly. They care for your needs.
The culture and atmosphere is really positive, and the product that we produce, the customers that we have are satisfied with it, and you know that you're making a change in people's lives.
My favorite thing about working at Staheli West is the atmosphere. We have a lot of good people working here, and it's a really easygoing place to be.
I like working with everybody here. It's pretty good. It's a really good environment, place to work.
Everyone's genuinely friends with each other, I feel like we get along on a genuine level.
I like working at Staheli West because of the positive atmosphere and the people I work with.
We have a really good group of employees here. We all like to have fun together. We care about each other. We care about each other's families. We know each other. We're a pretty tight-knit group.
The one word that I think really describes what I enjoy most about working here is it is truly fun.
The best word to describe Staheli West is camaraderie.
Working at Staheli West is rewarding.
Very family-oriented.
In a word, working at Staheli West is an adventure.
Our vision is changing agriculture and changing lives. All of our decisions that we really consider, we do throw them up against that mission and vision and make sure that it does align with our overall purpose.
Being a part of Staheli West vision is inspiring. It's great to hear the stories of how we're changing lives of farmers.
It's getting more and more focused each year as we kind of specialize in all of our different areas.
We really do put a lot of respect in receiving inspiration from God, really, in our work. We start our meetings with prayer, we ask for help, and we receive help. I think that happens on every level in our company.
Hi, I'm Billy Barney, and I am Staheli West.
I am Ernesto, and I am Staheli West.
I'm Lloyd. I am Staheli West.
I'm Spencer Douglas, and I am Staheli West.
We are Staheli